All right, for all of y'all that own a ceramic pan, either those copper tops or Gotham steel or one of these high-end ones from wherever this thing's at, I'm going to show you a good way to clean it that I was not aware of. I've ended up scratching these things up before, trying to get the stuff scrubbed out of. One trick I want to tell you though is you need to cook on medium heat. If you cook on high heat, it's going to make stuff stick. If you notice when you turn it down, things will start to loosen up. But if you keep it on medium heat, probably more than not is going to keep from sticking at all. But if it does stick, I'm going to show you this trick, how to get everything off and make it nice and neat without scratching the thing up. So the first thing we want to do is rinse it out with very hot water. Get everything off you can with just the water. You'll see me rinse this through, and it takes off most of the sludge that's on there. And whatever the water doesn't get off, I take a soft sponge and try to wipe off with some elbow grease what I can from that. And here's the magic eraser. Whatever's left on there, the stains, it doesn't seem much on here, but there's a little bit in the pot. It takes it right out. Even if you scrub hard, it doesn't scratch it, and it's as good as new again after that. So put it on here, scrub it with the magic eraser, and you're all set, ready to start again. Wait to the end, you see how it's done, go around all the edges, and that's it. Thanks for watching.